Welcome to the recorded demo video of Property Tax Management System for Tax Collector. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official Jhar Nikai mobile application. Upon clicking on the Jhar Nikai mobile application, the user will be taken to the login page. Enter your login credentials, reload the CAPTCHA, and then click on the login button. After successfully logging in, the user will be redirected to the property dashboard on the Jhar Nikai homepage. The property dashboard provides an overview of application summaries and options for related actions on the tax collector homepage, including View Applications, View Holdings, Cluster List, Collection Report, SAF Verification, GBSAF verification, harvesting verification, apply for new assessment, apply for GBSAF. To apply for a government building SAF, select the Apply GBSAF option to access the government SAF application form. The user must fill in all the required details in the application form, including ULB, name of the building, name of the office operated by the building, old ward number, new ward number, previous holding number, if any, government building usage type, property usage type, zone, road width, area of plot, street name, location, landmark, building address, officer designation, officer address, officer name, officer email, officer mobile number. Select yes or no if the property has a mobile tower. Select yes or no if the property has a hoarding board. Select yes or no if the property has a petrol pump. Select yes or no if the property has rainwater harvesting provision. To add a new floor, click the Add Floor button under the Floor Details option to access the Add Floor application form. The user must fill in all the required details, including floor number, usage type, occupancy type, construction type, built-up area in square feet, date from. After completing the floor details, click the Add button. Before final submission, review your form carefully and then submit it. After successful submission, the tax details will be displayed, including the total payable amount, along with options to pay tax and view application. For payment, proceed by clicking the Pay Tax button. The payment screen will be displayed. Select the following: payment up to year, payment up to quarter, payment mode. Enter your remark and then click on the Payment button to complete the transaction. To verify a rainwater harvesting application, back to Dashboard and select the Harvesting Verification option. Upon selecting this option, the list of applications will be displayed along with a filter option to retrieve the desired application. Select the desired application and proceed by clicking the Verify Details button. The complete application details will appear, including the rainwater harvesting image. Verify the details and image, then upload the rainwater harvesting image by clicking the Choose File button. After reviewing the details, enter your remark and proceed by clicking the Forward button. A confirmation message indicating that the application has been forwarded successfully will be displayed. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.